What's up guys, Random Razor here, the quick auto video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out a genuine Toyota exhaust tip for your Toyota cars. So for those of you Toyota owners out there, whether it's a RAV4, Highlander, Camry, etc., you guys know that Toyota doesn't put a whole lot of effort into making their exhaust systems look very nice. And a very easy and simple way to do that is to purchase an exhaust tip, which Toyota actually makes and sells. So I did pick up this exhaust tip from Amazon out of all places, and my first impressions on the packaging here is that it looks like it's been quite heavily used and opened before, so hopefully it wouldn't be too damaged, but we're about to find out. The first thing that we get here is the exhaust tip, which is nicely bubble wrapped, so you can see that it is a clamp-on style system, so there's no welding or drilling required. You just clamp it on, tighten it, and you're set to go. So even though the box doesn't look too pretty, hopefully it's not damaged underneath. And I spoke too soon, there is some pitting and imperfections on the polished stainless steel, which is a bit of a bummer, so I'll definitely be setting this up for a return for replacement. But I will still install this onto the Toyota so you guys can see what it looks like. Alright, so here's what the exhaust looks like on my Highlander here, and you can see Toyota doesn't really put much effort in making the exhaust system look pretty. Granted, a dual exhaust or integrated dual exhaust into the bumpers would have been nice, which I think they should have done, because Mazda, Honda, other brands like that, granted they're not all luxury, but are starting to do that with their cars. But anywho, yeah, it's not the prettiest looking thing. You can see Toyota tried to hide it underneath there, but what we can do is try and kind of dress it up and make it at least look a little bit pretty. Alrighty, so it's a pretty simple thing to put on. You basically, with the clamp on, just slide it on like so, and then tighten the bolt until it's tight enough that it doesn't come off. Alright, so about 10 minutes later of aligning this up and trying to tighten it, this is what it looks like. And as you guys can see here, it doesn't look too bad. So a little accessory like this isn't something that's going to make the back end of your car look too spectacular, but nonetheless, it definitely cleans up the look of it, and something that you think Toyota should have put on in the first place. Now, the exhaust tip here is supposed to be made of stainless steel, so it shouldn't rust for those of you who drive in the winter months. I would recommend putting some sort of oil on the clamp/screw, because that doesn't look like stainless steel. But the actual exhaust tip itself shouldn't rust, since it, according to specs, it says it is made of stainless steel. Anyways, yeah, for those of you who have a RAV4 or a Toyota Highlander like mine, or even older Toyota models that don't have anything too special with the exhaust system, this is definitely an inexpensive and easy, cheap way to clean up the back end of your car. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Any questions or comments about this exhaust tip, ask me in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button, as always helps me out. And I'll see you on the next video.